Hi, this video will show you how to load a image from the laser cutter, from the computer onto the laser cutter for printing. First you need to go to Windows Explorer and find your USB drive and then find the one we're going to cut. We're going to cut this one and you can see there in the tooltip it says DXF file. We're just going to grab that and drop that into Corel. So I've already got Corel open. If you don't, you can open it now. So I'm just going to grab it and drop it into Corel there, and it's going to bring up a window here. Now I want to make sure that 3D projection is top, the units are metric, and the scaling is 1:1. Once all that's happened, I press OK, and there is my maze at the bottom. Okay. I need to make sure also that my page size is 102. Sorry, my page size is 690 by there you go. My page size is 600 by 450, custom, and it's in landscape view because this is exactly the same as the laser cutter. Once I've done that, I can move forward with my laser cutting. Grab my maze and I can drag that to the top corner to help with my checking. And once it's all highlighted, I need to make sure that it's 102 by 102. If it's not, then what I can do is click this lock button to make sure that the ratios of my dimensions are the same, and then I just type in 102 here and that will automatically convert it to 102 by 102. Okay, once I'm in here, I can do a few things. So I can delete these words here. First thing I need to do is arrange ungroup all. Okay, then I can delete these words here because they won't be cut by the laser cutter. They'll be engraved, but they'll be engraved with very, very light lines, so I won't be able to see them. Okay, this one I'll leave here because I actually want to cut that out. Highlight all the lines, make sure the width is hairline, make sure the color is red. Okay, so everything red will be cut by the laser cutter. Anything I want engraved or drawn onto the plastic, I need to type using the A tool. So I'm going to type start here, and then I'm just going to drag that to the top like so, and then I'm going to type finish as well. Here we go. And of course you can use any combination of fonts you want. I'm just going to shrink that down. Fonts or font sizes. Okay, and that's done. Once you're finished there, go File Print, and make sure the printer is VLS 4.6 for the big laser cutter or 2.3 for the small laser cutter. And once you're happy with that, press Print. Okay, I just need to delete this one here. Alright, so once you press print, go to the red ULS system, and this is the control center for the laser cutter. Make sure it's turned on. If it's not, you can either turn it on from here or from the laser cutter itself. Okay, from here, if you open the laser cutter lid, you'll get a red dot, and you can move it using these arrow keys here. Okay, move the red dot to the point at which you want the top right corner of your job to be. Click the top right corner, and then press 2-pointer when this button's selected. Pressing 2-pointer, it will move it exactly where you want it to go. Go to settings and go pick the material you want to cut. In this our case, plastic, acrylic, cast acrylic, and type in the thickness. For the maze, you'll be using 6mm acrylic. For the top and the bottom of the maze, you'll probably be using 3 or 2mm acrylic. Check with your teacher the thickness before you cut. Once that's done, press OK, and when you're ready to go, close the lid, turn on the extrusion fan at the wall, and you can press play. And once you press play, your stuff will start to cut.